very dark man. Since beginning of this year, I don't try my best. Make your name no even cross my mouth. I know just one mention your name. Baby, like say you know just one rest. It's obvious you know just one rest. I saw your post today where you were talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, you can talk about him, but see, try not to divide the Igbos because they've been divided enough. Try not to divide the Igbos to rebuild your support base. I don't think that's necessary. Don't do that. It's quite a shame a lot of them has been falling for this your antics, has been falling for this your nonsense. A lot of them, because I don't go through the comment section. I don't see so many comments that threw in the talk now, which threw in the talk. Somebody came out and divided using sentiments to split you guys. Yes, if you say the governors are holding down on Nnamdi Kanu to an extent, yes, but why they bring in businessmen? Why they bring in businessmen? That's why they say you did so bent on bringing down Igbo business. Why you bring what you consign Igbo business? What you consign Igbo businessmen consign Nnamdi Kanu? What you consign them? Them be government. Because then they keep quiet. Why they not go keep quiet when they know say so much hate face this tribe? Why they not go keep quiet? Why they not go there? You want make their own spoil? They know the situation of the country. That's why then they keep quiet. But that no mean say they don't get concerned. That no mean say they know they have heartfelt. That no mean say their mind know they were him day. Who they sponsor in court case? Now you the sponsor am. Now Idoma man the sponsor am. Now TV man the sponsor am. I been a Hausa man. I been a Fulani man. I been a Yoruba man the sponsor am. Not be the Igbos the sponsor in court case. Who they take care of in welfare as in the DSS? Not be the same Igbos they take care of in welfare. Why they bring in Igbo businessmen inside and yet people they fall for your antics? Ever since you came to limelight, you very dark man. Now dear, since you came into limelight, now dear I start to see say man, a lot of poor people start to hate on the rich. And now through the messages where you send these messages, people start hating on the rich. Why they do this the way they do? You're dividing this country more than you think you're trying to restructure and build. You make me hate on the rich. Yet you fly private jets. You fly international. They show them pounds and dollars. And yet you want them make them hate on the rich. Make them remain poor forever. So that you could use their head. Because no when they're in that poverty state of mind, if you climb their brain. You know one get sense? I see a lot of people supporting him. Yes, why the big Kabana no one open mouth? Why the other one no one? Why after said why then go open mouth? You don't know the situation of the country. Let me warn you guys. If you guys have not seen this, let me show you guys this so that I go get small sense. Watch this. This now when they said the boy self money never even come inside. This now waiting in open mouth tell the whole world and yet see the kind of person that they support. This boy was sent from the pit of hell to destroy this country. Listen to him. Listen to what a human being said. That's one that they support.
I tell you, say I come with a tarnished image when they follow me play. Nigerians, see, the mistake one I make.
Yeah, Ramon.
To make me popular. Now go suffer.
Now go suffer.
You see all those people.
The suffer never stop.
For my hand, now go suffer. That small popularity wanna give me like this. You now go contact.
Now the hear Ram. See the kind devil one and they support. Because why? When they insisted on the whole land for block or single come do giveaway. I'm doing this for the see. Let me get it. Let me put it straight here. I'm not a fan of VDM. I know the Ratel. I know they follow them. They do all this nonsense. Neither am I a fan of Nnamdi Kanu because most of the rhetorics I don't even like him. But you see, the same scope. The same scope when Nnamdi Kanu they use holding supporters, like the same way VDM they use holding supporters, and at the same way Yes on Weekend they use holding supporters. All of them they are doing it for the poor, they are doing it for the grassroots. Use poor people head, they jam poor people head. They jam saying get VDM comes out to tell you saying get inner message, didn't get information from within. Which information you get? You know nothing. No, they use your instincts, they work on people's mind because that's how you've always been. You go carry your opinion, you go carry your instincts, build opinion into people's mind. If you want to say something, why don't you just say it and allow people to form the opinion within themselves? No, they form opinion for people's mind. Stop that nonsense. Stop it. If person say the follow Igbo business, true. Not just Igbo man's business like I previously said. If you don't still believe me, listen to this.
I made a business suffer.
You hear him?
I get accident. The accident go stop me. I park the motor. I use leg. Go another day.
Now they
I
are
enter public transport, go do am.
go do
I
am.
no send, bro. If I put my mind to something, I dey fulfill am.
Now they see the kind devil one they interact with. Now they see the kind devil one they interact with. So in get. See, no come divide the Igbos to use build your support base. What did they do you right now, VDM, if you don't know Nakama? Person carry you go China. You and I'm discuss, say they come do advert. You reach there, you want come become boss. For him back, they go collect numbers of people into. You don't know say those people are in brothers. You feel say they play them, you don't know say they play yourself. You feel say Chinese man go sacrifice him brother for you. Now who want to do business again with you for China? And make you understand. Say Chinese embassy they take note of what they happen. No? Everything playing on the internet, Chinese embassy is taking note of it. If you don't know I'm now. Because tomorrow if you want to go apply for visa, then bounce you. Then you go come wash your supporters. Say, make it get sense. That's why they say education no be scam. You could be smart, but you are not intelligent. And yet you come online with your full chest. They show us WhatsApp message of how you collect CEO number for China. You say Ross, no, they see him. But somebody called you, you want to come climb the head, still want to let your own company, make them put VDM for you there. Person tell you say you want to build something like Amazon. You talk, say no, make them build them for your name. You could be smart, but you're not intelligent. You're too foolish. Excessively foolish. Man, you know what that those deals do for you? For the so-called poor people when you say they fight for. Try get sense small. The person pay for you $15,000, make you come China. You still go there, go mess them up. Go mess yourself up. Come back and tell us more, no trust the person. Because they see through you. Come, let me take you to this CEO. You reach there, go to collect CEO number. Once I land the guy, make you and the CEO start to work. You don't know, say him and the CEO are brothers. The CEO, two of them go just sit down now, they drink coffee, they laugh you. Say, see this mumu, we want help. One come play us. One come tell us saying smart pass us. You smart, rich Chinese man. Because then they do need honey, if you say they don't get sense. Now you want come wash people head, but they know. My friend, see, anybody who want to patronize Mr. Ross, go patronize him. Not good guy him be. Man, he called VDM for a business. VDM was aware he's going to China for a business. He reach China, they support China man, one destroying Nigerian brother own. One destroy Nigeria, still carry that in same greed, go China, one destroy Chinese man own. So that only him go be the only man standing. You want to destroy everybody, you make only you. Now you don't carry that your same greed, carry and enter China. Sense, you know, still want get in now, as old as you are. You dey compete with B-Lord at 27, see what he don't build. See the number of staff, see the amount of people he don't give employment. He don't build empire. The internet people, they hail you if you say they do the right thing. Because you don't get supporters. What be that right thing where you don't do? Name one. Name something where you don't see to in logical conclusion. Name one. The business where you say you never even import pin, needle. You never import. It's an importation of beans. Man, stop this thing where they do. Stop this thing.